In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a Vodafone hotspot on iPhone. First, you will need to load up your phone settings here, and from within the main page or menu, you will see personal hotspot, this option. Click on it. Now, you will need to allow others to join. This is going to toggle on your personal hotspot, and you will also have the option of setting a password here. After you have set up your password, others can join you using Wi-Fi, so they can just go to their Wi-Fi settings and connect to your Wi-Fi or internet. And also, you have the option of connecting using Bluetooth. You will pair your iPhone with your computer. On iPhone, you will tap pair or enter the code displayed on your computer, and then you will connect to iPhone from computer. And also you have the option of using USB. You have to plug in your iPhone into your computer and choose iPhone from the list of network services in the settings. And that is basically how you set up a Vodafone personal hotspot on iPhone. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.